It's time for the Texas Sportsman. With your host, Fred Rodriguez. And your co-host, Cindy Rodriguez. Brought to you by Pueblo Tires and Service, Capital Farm Credit, the Osiris Gonzalez Law Firm, South Padre Boat Rentals, the City of South Padre Island, and the Texas Sportsman Tracking Outdoors magazine. Let's go outdoors with the Texas Sportsman. Gotta have it. Howdy folks, and welcome to the Texas Sportsman. On today's show, we're fishing at the Shallow Sport Tournament at beautiful South Padre Island, Texas. There are over 250 teams participating this year. We're fishing with the owner of South Padre Boat Rentals out of Port Isabel. When we come back, we'll be going to the captain's meeting at the Convention Center at South Padre Island, where they have over $50,000 worth of prizes, and they'll be giving away a free shallow sport boat to a very lucky winner. Stay with us on the Texas Sportsman, Tracking Outdoors. Gotta have it. Welcome back to the Texas Sportsman. We're at the Shallow Sport Tournament at South Padre Island, Texas, and we're at the Convention Center for the captain's meeting.
Hey folks, we're here at the Shallow Sport Tournament. This is the captain's meeting. That's what we're doing right now. There's a lot of folks out here signing up, joining the tournament that's going to be going on tomorrow. There's a lot of sponsors. We want to thank a lot of the sponsors that are out here. Shallow Sport is giving away a Shallow Sport boat as well. Take a look at this beautiful boat right here. Okay, having a great time out here, plenty of food, a lot of merchandise going on, and a lot of team. I hear there's over 250 teams this year. And I have Gabby Vanunu with me right here, and he is the owner of South Padre Boat Rentals.
Yes, and here at South Padre Boat Rental, we sponsor the event. We have shallow sport boats. We are specialized in shallow sport fishing. Come join our membership. Come and have some fun with us.
So many good things going on here in South Padre Island, and I tell you what, if you don't own a boat, don't worry about it. You can rent the boat. Give them a call. You'll see the number on the screen. Give them a call and get with the program and sign up and be a member.
The tournament is also giving away 15 scholarships this year. We're catching up with one of the owners of Shallow Sport, Kyra Hudson.
Here we are at the Shallow Sport Tournament, and it is happening. What's going on?
Tonight's our registration party. All of our 225 pre-registered teams came to pick up their goodies, and we had a little bit of room left for some new registrations. We're already past 250 teams. We're past 1,300 people, I believe, already tonight. We've got our vendors out here, and we've got a bunch of bucket raffles, $50,000 worth of bucket raffle prizes that you can get a chance to win, as well as,
awesome prizes, and the free boat. Free boat that you guys are giving away. That's awesome. Yep. A Shallow Sport boat. Somebody's going to go home tomorrow with that boat, or know that they won the boat after the weigh-in. Stay with us on the Texas Sportsman. We'll be right back right after this.
Don't go anywhere, because when we come back, we'll be hooking them up at the Shallow Sport Tournament. Stay with us right here on the Texas Sportsman. Welcome back to the Texas Sportsman. We're at the Shallow Sport Tournament, and we'll be competing against 250 teams. We're fishing with the owner of South Padre Boat Rentals out of Port Isabel. We're all standing by for the cannon blast.
And the home of the brave.
Albino. Redfish. All right. Feels good. RD, you want to help us here, buddy? You can get the net. I'll do the camera. Albino's on a fish. Watch the rods there to your right. Hey, man. We're fishing the Shallow Sport Tournament. Oh, might be oversized. Nice dodge. Good work. Well, folks, fishing the Shallow Sport Tournament, and that was one incredible redfish that Albino hooked onto. I grabbed the camera, and he brought that fish in. But fishing this tournament, this one was about 28 1/4. It was over. Got to be 28 inches. So we went ahead and let him go and let him live for another day. All right. Getting that bite going on. Yeah, it looks like a trout. Yeah, it's a nice trout. There's a small red.
Oh,
it's red. It's a rat red. Small red fish. Little undersized there, RD.
Red, hey, they're here.
Yeah, they're starting to bite. No, 28-inch redfish. Oh, looks like is it a trout?
Yeah.
It's a big trout, dude.
Here we go.
It's too big.
Good size.
22.5 inch in the tail. Nice speckled trout. Legal limit 17 to 23 inches. You can keep 3 per day. Gabby, what do you think?
I think it's beautiful.
Beautiful, right? Go ahead and keep down, take it down to Blackbeards.
Here you go, man.
Ah, it's gonna be delicious. We are fishing here, South Padre Boat Rentals. Well, we're at the Shallow Sport Tournament. We're gonna go to commercial. We got Albino on a big, oversized redfish. This thing is huge. Big one, big one. Stay with us on the Texas Sportsman. Cracking outdoors, gotta have it.
Welcome back to the Texas Sportsman. Our cameraman, Albino Mendoza, is hooked up on a huge fish. He's been battling this bad boy for 5 minutes.
Little quantum rod and reel combo there. He's strong, dude. That is a big. Fishing off the South Padre Boat Rental Shallow Sport and the Shallow Sport Tournament. And this fish is oversized. Huge. I think it's a black drum. It's a drum, black drum. Well over 30 inches. He's a fighter. Good Lord, look at that fish. Wow. How'd that feel? How'd it feel now? Wow, Albino caught that one. He's gone. That thing was so full of energy. It did like 4 runs.
He's gone?
Yeah, he's gone.
If you would like to rent a shallow sport or a pontoon boat, give South Padre Boat Rentals a call at 408-0441. That's 956-408-0441. And ask about joining the boat club. Remember, folks, we need 2 28-inch redfish and a flounder for the weigh-in.
Oh, that's a nice redfish, guys. It's a nice redfish. Woo! Monster! This is another adventure on the Texas Sportsman. Here we go. Stay on it, Fred. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Put them in the net. We're on, baby. South Padre Boat Rentals on the board. Woo! We're gonna like it. Ripping lips.
Out of nowhere, Gabby, owner of South Padre Boat Rentals, catches a redfish, and it's just what we needed.
Let's see, that might be 21, 22. Here, I'm trying to win. This guy wants to eat tacos. What's your rod? I got it.
Finally, I took something.
Okay, this is a keeper.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Okay, go.
With our 2 redfish in the box, we have to head back to Louie's backyard for the weigh-in before 3 o'clock. Stay with us, don't go anywhere. The Texas Sportsman will be right back. Welcome back to the Texas Sportsman. We're fishing at the Shallow Sport Tournament at South Padre Island, Texas. We've got our 2 redfish and we're heading to Louie's backyard for the official weigh-in.
Let me see how this is.
Mr. Doug, he was saying, are you sure?
We had a 28 and a half.
But we let it go, it was too big. No. The other one we threw.
27 and a quarter.
The other one we let it go because it was too big.
7.43. Really? Fat guy. 22 and 3/8.
Gabby.
3.68.
Please verify and sign at the bottom. How many years have y'all fished this tournament?
I've been fishing this tournament for probably in and out for over 20 years.
20 years, that's awesome. How was it out on the
Well, it started out slow, but we stayed with it. We never gave up, and we fished right till about 2:10 and had to make the weigh-in. We had one that was 28 and a half inches, but we had to let it go, of course, because it was too big.
Yeah.
We didn't tag it, we just let it go. And but we had a great time. That's what it's all about. Out here with the crew, we had a good time.
Awesome, yeah, sounds like a great day. Anything just crazy exciting happen? Anything you want to share?
Yes, absolutely. Albino, who's running camera right now, Texas Sportsman, he was also fishing. He was a registered fisherman as well. He hooked onto probably a 44, 46-inch black drum. It was huge. And first we thought it was an oversized red, and then we saw it, and it was a black drum. So of course we took pictures and released it as well.
That is crazy.
It was cool. And then my buddy here, he thought he had a monster redfish, and it was a monster stingray.
Yeah, but it took 30 minutes worth of reeling in. We thought we were going to bring in the champion red. Turned out to be a freaking stingray.
And it one more funny thing, and it was 2 o'clock, and I was like ready to cut his line, like let go. So, anyways, thank you, Shallow Sport. We had a great time.
Well, folks, that wraps up another edition of the Texas Sportsman. We had an awesome time out here at the Shallow Sport Fishing Tournament at South Padre Island, Texas. Until next week, we'll see you on the Texas Sportsman. Gotta have it. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the Texas Sportsman with your host, Fred Rodriguez. And your co-host, Cindy Rodriguez. Brought to you by Pueblo Tires and Service, Capital Farm Credit, the Osiris Gonzalez Law Firm, South Padre Boat Rentals, the City of South Padre Island, and the Texas Sportsman Tracking Outdoors magazine. Gotta have it.